Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the cause, symptoms and home remedies for asthma. Asthma is a chronic respiratory condition which causes the airway in the lungs become inflamed. It makes the air difficult to move in and out. The airways become narrow and produce a lot of mucus restricting the air passing through the bronchial tube, which make it very difficult to breathe properly. An asthma attack may be minor, but it can become dangerous very quickly. Symptoms may get worse gradually over a few days. Symptoms of asthma typically includes coughing that won't stop, wheezing when breathing out, shortness of breath, tightness in the chest, pale and sweaty face. Major factors and activities can cause asthma. Some of them are blood relationship with asthma, smoking, pet hair, dust or pollution, smoke from burning wood or grass, sinus infections and allergies, bad weather when the humidity is high, strong fragrances, consumption of cold food items. The asthma symptoms can be worse from some people when they do exercise, when they have a cold, or when they are feeling stressed. When you are attacked by asthma, the first step you should take before taking any remedy is stand or sit straight. This will help to open the airways, making it easier for air to move through the lungs. Do your best to keep calm. Breathe in through the nose and with relaxed neck and shoulder breathe out. Do this several times until you feel better. The purpose of this exercise is to reduce the number of breaths, keeping the airway open longer and making it easier to breathe. Here are some home remedies which can help to prevent the asthma attack to get worse. Steam inhalation. Inhaling warm, moist, rich air can be very effective for clearing the mucus and opening up the airways. For steaming, pour hot water into a large bowl and add a few drops of menthol or eucalyptus oil to the water and breathe in the steam. This may relax the muscle of the respiratory system, which could help to relieve wheezing and other respiratory problems. Steam bath is also used to elevate nasal and chest congestion. Steam bath once in a week can provide moisture to your airways, relieving you of the congestion, help you get rid of accumulated mucus, and help you breathe more freely. Caffeine intake. The caffeine is believed to help treat asthma. It works similarly to the popular asthma medication theophylline. Theophylline is a bronchodilator drug that is used to open up the airway in the lungs of asthma patients. Caffeine can be found in coffee, tea, green tea, and cocoa. Hot beverages also help open up congested airway. Drink hot tea or coffee to feel and breathe better. Honey. Honey helps in curing the cough suppressant. It can be used to soothe a sore throat and preventing coughing. A form of nighttime asthma called nocturnal asthma can cause coughing, wheezing, and chest tightness. Honey may also reduce inflammation in the bronchial tube and help break up mucus that is making it hard for you to breathe. Mix honey with hot tea and drink it, or just have a spoon of it every morning with 2 or 3 tulsi leaves. Garlic. Garlic has certain medical qualities. It has great anti-inflammatory properties too. Garlic can help to reduce the inflammation, thus reducing the symptoms of asthma. Consume more garlic in your food or have raw garlic in empty stomach as it soothes your airways and help to open them up. Ginger. Ginger is a herb that contains anti-inflammatory properties and may help with severe asthma. It can help reduce airway inflammation and inhibit airway Concoction. Boil a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger in 1 cup of water. Strain it and mix 1 teaspoon of honey. Consume it twice a day. This remedy could reduce the frequency of asthma attack. Turmeric. Turmeric helps to break down mucus, which make it easier for your body to remove the mucus from its airway. This helps relieve coughing and improve your ability to breathe. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric in hot milk and consume it every day, or cook your food with turmeric every day. This will relieve symptoms of asthma and help you in preventing asthma attack. Figs. Consuming dried figs can aid in flushing out the phlegm from the respiratory tract. These are enriched with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties that can help relieving the inflamed airway. Soak dried figs overnight in water. Eat them first thing in the morning. Drink the residual water. Mustard oil. Mustard oil mixed with camphor is a natural remedy for cough and cold, as it helps clear congestion. It is also used as a good asthma treatment. Warm some mustard oil and add camphor to it. Massage the mixture all over the chest till you get relief from the asthma. Practicing Buteyko breathing technique. This is a form of breathing exercise. Buteyko breathing technique focuses on breathing out through the nose and not the mouth. Breathing out through the mouth can dry out the mouth and the airway very fast, resulting in more problems. Practicing and using Buteyko breathing technique also make you less suffering from respiratory infection. Buteyko breathing technique can also be instrumental in decreasing your asthma symptoms with the help of slow and gentle breathing through the nose. Yoga. If you want to get right from your asthma symptoms, make sure you do yoga every single day. Yoga incorporates breathing and stretching exercise. Some yoga poses like bridge pose, cobra pose can help open your throat and chest. Meditate every day and increase focus on your mind and body. The focus on breath and stress control from yoga and meditation will help you a lot in breathing easily. Diet change. Include lots of fruits and vegetables in your diet. To reduce the inflammation around your airways, consider sources rich in vitamin E and beta carotene. Being overweight can affect and trigger asthma symptoms. So try to eat healthy food, do exercise and stay fit. If any particular food seems to make your symptoms more worse, make a note and avoid consuming it. There are no home remedies to cure asthma attack, but some of these home remedies can treat the asthma symptoms quickly and help preventing an asthma attack from getting worse. If symptoms don't improve, seek emergency medical help.